Hello. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create and restore a backup of all of the punch data in both the RTC 1000 and SB 100 Pro universal time clocks manufactured by Icon Time Systems. We recommend that you save a backup of your clock's data periodically. There are two ways that you can accomplish this task in these devices. To save a backup using the web interface on your computer, select Files from the main toolbar and select Save to Backup File from the drop-down menu. A Save to Backup screen will appear, and then all you need to do is click Submit. Depending on your operating system and the web browser you are using, you may see a pop-up option to open or save and an option to select a destination folder in which to place the backup file. Internet Explorer, for instance, offers a pop-up that asks you to save or run this file. Select Save and select the destination folder. The file may also be automatically saved in either your Documents or Downloads folder on the C drive of your computer. Run a search to verify that the file was saved. In this example, we're using Google Chrome, and it will place the file in the lower left corner of the window, and then it can be clicked on and dragged anywhere to save it on your computer. And you'll see there it is down in the lower left, and we just click and drag it. To perform this on the actual device, go to the device with a portable USB flash drive, commonly called a thumb drive. Plug the thumb drive into the USB port on the bottom of the time clock. Press the lock button in the lower left-hand corner of the clock face. Enter your 6-digit security code. The default code is all zeros. Using the up arrow, scroll until you see Download Backup and press Enter. The clock will display backing up data. When completed, the display will return to Enter ID. You can now transfer this file from the thumb drive to your computer and store it in a folder of your choosing. Now let's take a look at how do we restore a backup. First of all, save a current backup before performing a restore. To perform this from the web interface on your computer, once again, select Files from the main toolbar, but this time select Restore Backup File from the drop-down menu. You will be prompted to re-enter your password. Then click the Choose File button. Select the file you want to restore to your clock from your computer and click Submit. The clock will load the file and then reboot. No one will be able to clock in or out during this process. Once the reboot is complete, your clock will now contain the punch data that was stored on the date that the backup was created. To perform this on the actual device, copy any backup file from your computer to a portable US flash drive, commonly called a thumb drive. Do not save more than one backup to the thumb drive at a time. Remove any backup files you have stored previously on the thumb drive. Plug the thumb drive into the USB port on the bottom of the time clock. Press the lock button in the lower left-hand corner of the clock face. Enter your 6-digit security code. Again, default is all zeros. Then using the up arrow, scroll to Restore Backup and press Enter. The clock will accept the backup file automatically and will display restoring data and will reboot. When complete, the clock will return to Enter ID. You can now retrieve the data from this backup and replace it with a current backup when you are finished. And now we'd like to talk for just a minute about deleting old data. Punches build up in the clock and can affect performance. Removing old punch data from your clock's memory helps ensure that your clock will perform optimally. we recommend that you keep your clock's punch count under 20,000. Remember to save a backup before deleting any old data. To find your punch count, go to the Help menu and select About Your Clock. You'll see the punch count located right there on the 6th line down. As you can see, this one's under 9,000. In older versions of our software, you can find it by selecting Save to Backup, and the punch count will be displayed in that screen. To delete these unneeded punches from your time clock, select the Save to Backup on that screen, enter the date you wish to delete punches entered prior to, and click Submit. If your punch count is extremely high, over 40,000 or even higher, it may be necessary to remove punches a few days at a time to get the data removed. To remove unwanted punch data in our current firmware, simply select from the Files menu, Remove Unneeded Data, and here you will select a date prior to that you'd like to remove punches and then Submit. If you're currently covered under a gold or platinum support agreement with Icon Time Systems, you can call our support team at 800-847-2232, select option 1, and we'll try to do all we can to help you delete that material from your clock. Also, you can go to the Help Center in the clock, and from that page, select the knowledge base. And you can see the RTC 1000 or SB100 Pro come up. Just type in the search bar there anything you might be looking for. We'll put removing unneeded data in here. We'll call it old data. Click search. And you'll get some how-to articles that'll come up, and they can be very helpful. Okay, so thank you for watching our video, and again, if you need any help, give us a call at 800-847-2232, select option 2. Thank you.